Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight bulb. Replacing a headlight bulb is a straightforward task that can save you money and improve your nighttime visibility. First, you will need to identify the correct bulb type for your vehicle, which is usually found in your owner's manual. Next, gather a few basic tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Remember to wear gloves to protect the new bulb from skin oils. Now let's get to accessing the bulb. Begin by opening your Jeep's hood. The headlight assembly is located behind the front grille. Depending on your model, you might need to remove the air intake duct or a few screws securing the grille panel to gain better access. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, often a T20 or T25, to remove any bolts or clips that hold the headlight assembly in place. Gently pull the assembly forward. With the assembly accessible, it is time to replace the bulb. Gently pull the headlight assembly forward, being mindful of any attached wiring harnesses. Locate the bulb holder at the back of the assembly. Grasp the connector firmly and twist it counterclockwise, usually about a quarter turn, to release it. Carefully pull out the old bulb by its plastic base. Insert the new bulb, again holding it by its base, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Reconnect any wiring harnesses that were detached. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its housing and secure it with the bolts or clips you removed earlier. Reinstall the grille panel or air intake components, making sure everything is tightly fastened. Turn on your Jeep and test both the low and high beams to ensure they are working correctly and properly aligned for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.